Hey guys, what's up? Juan here. Today we'll be making a simple blinking animation for your beast using shape keys. So as you can see, I have my character. My beast has already a Mixamo rig, as you can see. Um, so the first things first is what you want to do is make sure that your eyelids are separated. If they are joined together, just simply go into the edit tab while they're both selected, and then I'm going to the x-ray mode on the top right, and if they are selected, you can just press L to select one side, and then you can right click, and then you can separate by selection, and you will have separate eyelids. But for my case, they're already separate, so we won't be doing that for today. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is um, for example, my pupils are facing to the right, but I want them to be facing straight. So I'll just quickly fix it up and just adjust it. I'll be using my moving tool right here, and I also use my transform tool, and I will just adjust the X location and also adjust the Y and the Z just to give it like a nice look. It doesn't have to be the best as long as it's nice and clean. It'll give it a cool look. Okay, so once you have that done, what you want to do next is you want to join these two eyelids together. So simply you want to join. Once it is joined, what you want to do is go to the data tab and select your eyelids. While they are selected, click shape keys, make a basis first, and then create a shape key. You can name this shape key to blink. So once that's done, you want to go into the edit mode. Now don't worry, if the eyelids have disappeared, simply go into the solids mode here, go into the x-ray mode, and if your eyelids are subdivided like this, what you want to do is click edge, go on to unsubdivide, and it will unsubdivide. I will do the same with the left one, the right one. Now it is unsubdivided, so it is easier to work with. Okay, now what I would do is I will select just the bottom, but as you can see, I'm only selecting the vertex, but we want to be selecting the faces. So we will select it again. You want to go into your move, and then you want to go into your front view, bring it down a bit. But for this, I will be using some dimensions that I have already made. For our y-axis, we will be setting it to 20378. That will bring it down. And then we'll be adjusting the z-axis. And once that's done, go into the object mode, leave the edit, and now you will see that you have your blinking. As you can see, our pupil is still showing. So for this, we will simply fix it. With your eyelid down, select your pupil, and adjust it back. Okay, so once that is done, what you want to do is you want to select your shape keys, and you want to make a basic blinking animation. So first, we will keep it open, go down a few frames, and create a blinking animation. Set one keyframe there, copy the first one, and place it where you want it back to open. So as you can see from here, you can easily duplicate this and continue doing that so you can have a blinking animation. But for this, what we'll be doing is using our graph editor. So you want to make sure that your eyelids are selected. Go into the graph editor So we'll be opening up a new window for this. So you want to make sure that the key is selected. Go to the blink value. On the right here on modifier, select the modifier, select cycles, and you can now adjust your blinking values. If you want it to blink faster, you can just adjust the keyframe and bring it closer. And you can also just tweak a bunch of different stuff. Sweet. I hope this video helped you guys, and I hope you guys learned something basic. Have a great day.